How close are we to living on Mars? Humanity has always looked to the stars, dreaming of exploring new worlds. But what if Mars became our second home? Is it just a fantasy, or are we on the brink of a historic leap? The race to colonize the red planet is heating up, with billionaires, space agencies, and scientists pushing the limits of technology. But behind the excitement, a chilling reality looms. Mars is not a welcoming world. A planet that wants to kill us. Mars is a barren wasteland with bone-chilling temperatures dropping to -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius at night. Its thin atmosphere offers no protection from deadly cosmic radiation. Dust storms the size of continents rage for months, plunging the planet into darkness. A simple mistake, an air leak, a failed generator, could mean instant death. The impossible challenges of survival. If humans are to survive, we must conquer obstacles that sound like science fiction. No oxygen. Mars' atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide. Without a reliable oxygen supply, even stepping outside means certain suffocation. No water. Although frozen water exists beneath the surface, extracting and purifying it is an engineering nightmare. No food. With no fertile soil, growing crops would require underground farms with artificial light and controlled temperatures. Extreme isolation. A Mars colony would be the most isolated human settlement in history. A distress signal to Earth would take 20 minutes to reach, and any rescue mission could take years. The SpaceX plan, a one-way trip? Elon Musk's SpaceX has an ambitious goal, sending the first humans to Mars by the 2030s. His Starship rocket promises to transport hundreds of people at a time. But there's a catch: returning may not be an option. Musk has openly stated that early missions could result in deaths. If you're ready to die, you're a candidate for Mars, he once joked, though he wasn't entirely joking. NASA's strategy, slow and steady. NASA, on the other hand, is taking a cautious approach, focusing on moon missions before attempting Mars. They plan to build a space station orbiting the moon, testing long-term survival strategies before risking human lives on Mars. A colony by 2050? Some experts believe a small settlement with 100 to 200 people could exist on Mars by 2050. But a full-fledged city? That might take a century or more. Even if we get there, would life on Mars be worth it? Would we thrive, or would we merely struggle to survive in a hostile world? Final thought: a dream or a nightmare? Mars colonization is the ultimate human adventure, filled with promise, danger, and the unknown. Will we succeed, or will Mars claim its first human victims before we can call it home? What do you think? Would you take the risk and be among the first settlers on Mars? Let us know in the comments.